Also on the Iraq front, UN Secretary General Kofi Annan had some stinging words for the United States. In an interview with the BBC, Annan said that the U.S.-led force did not have the legal authority to invade the country. NBC's Donna Friesen joins us live from London now to tell us more about that. Donna, good evening.
Hi, Lester. Yeah, the build-up to the attack on Iraq last year was mired in controversy and disagreement. Now the UN Secretary General says it was illegal. Kofi Annan says it violated the conditions of the UN Charter, which allows nations to take military action with Security Council approval only as an explicit enforcement action, such as during the Korean War or the first Gulf War, when Saddam had invaded Kuwait. Saddam hadn't invaded any country this time. As it turns out, Iraq didn't even pose an imminent threat because Saddam didn't have any weapons of mass destruction. But Annan's position is being rejected by those who supported the war.
In March 2003, when the attack began, President Bush made clear his reasons for going to war.
To disarm Iraq, to free its people, and to defend the world from grave danger.
There were questions then about the legality of a preemptive strike. U.S. attempts to get a UN Security Council resolution approving the invasion were dropped when it became clear it would not pass. Now the UN Secretary General has made his strongest statement yet, denouncing the war.
It's not in conformity with the UN Charter from our point of view, and from the Charter point of view, it was illegal.
Annan's criticism was dismissed today by Australian Prime Minister John Howard, one of President Bush's strongest allies.
That view of his is at variance with the legal advice that we received, and also I understand the legal advice that was received by the British and United States government.
British officials said today they respect Annan, but do not share his view.
There was no official response from Washington today, but a former advisor to the Secretary of Defense, Donald Rumsfeld, says to do this 51 days before an American election reeks of political interference. Annan's office is now playing down his comments, saying his position on the war has long been well known. Lester?
Donna Friesen in London. Donna, thank you.